Hey everyone, it's Chelsea, or people know me as Chelsters also on Instagram, and I have this perfect detailing kit that I need to show you guys from Proje Car Care. So if you're new to Proje Car Care and you don't know what to get, this is the best starter kit to see how great their products are. So let's open it up. Alright, so this is what we have here. We have car wash soap, which smells like bubblegum, new car scent, quick detail spray, one of my favorites because I love using this at car shows, and wheel cleaner. But you're probably just like, is that it? Let me show you what's underneath. So right here we have glass cleaner, also comes in handy for car shows. Tire dressing, one of my favorites. I'd say the quick detail spray and the tire dressing is my top two faves. And microfiber towels, one for each, which is great. Brush for the tires, a mitt to use a car wash soap, sponges as well, and also these to use on the new car scent or whatever you'd like. So if you're thinking about what to get from Proje Car Care, I would go with the detailing kit because it has your basic essentials that you would need to make your car look shiny.